Hey guys, welcome back to React 101, the fundamentals. Today we will going to cover the topics that we introduced in the slides via examples. So as you saw in the last lecture that you can use either Code Sandbox, the online editor, to create React application, or you can use Create React App to set up a React project locally. In this lecture and moving forward, I will be using Create React App to set up the local project and using that project to create demo components. I have opened the project, and if you look at the structure, this is the structure that you got. I have edited the index file, the main file, and clean it up. So we are going to render our first React component right in here. For that, I'm going to import React library from the package. We also going to need React DOM, and then we are going to use React DOM to render our first component. This render method takes two arguments: first the React component, and second the DOM in the tree in the JavaScript where we want to render that component. So I'm going to create the element, and we are going to do rendering of that in a particular div that we already have in our HTML5 file. If you see, we have this empty div, so we are going to render our application, the component, in here. For that, we have to select it using query selector. It's compiling, and on the left you can see that we have hello world rendered to the screen. This is the simplest React component that you can see. We are using React DOM render to render a component element to a DOM node which is created in the HTML file. If you inspect, you will see that here we have our newly created element, and this will change when I change it. That is a simple React component.